Okay, so for those of you that follow the channel here regularly, first off, thank you for being subscribed. You'll know that I combine technical analysis with fundamental analysis here on this channel, and we try to find good entry points, try to find good value in stocks or in assets, and we try to make a lot of money over the long term. The problem though when it comes to crypto, like Bitcoin for example, you don't really have too many fundamentals to go on, which is why I tend to rely a lot more on the technicals here. And I'll show you a chart here, guys, in this video that signals to me that Bitcoin is ready for a reversal for a move higher. Now, in terms of the fundamentals of Bitcoin, here's where I stand, okay? I think that Bitcoin is past the whole skepticism phase. I think that it's proven itself. Institutions are buying in, companies are buying in, companies are allowing you to pay with Bitcoin, transact with Bitcoin. Some of them even own it on their own balance sheet. I think Bitcoin is here to stay. I don't think that it's a speculative bubble. So with that being said, that is kind of my fundamental analysis here on Bitcoin. I'm not a crypto expert. And from what I see and what I have been seeing over the last, I'd say 6 months or so, is that this adoption is just going to keep accelerating as more and more companies and institutions pick this up. Now, let's get to the interesting part, and that is the technicals, because Bitcoin is presenting us a very interesting opportunity today. Now, I just want to put a disclaimer out there before I show you this chart, and that's, anything can happen. I can show you the technicals, I can show you what I think, I can show you what my prediction is, but tomorrow some big whale can come out, sell a whole bunch of Bitcoin, and it could send Bitcoin crashing another 30, 40, 50% lower. I don't know. This is not financial advice, just my opinion on something that I've noticed that has held true for the last little while, that I think may hold true once again. Okay, so that being said, let's look at the chart here. So here's Bitcoin on the daily time frame, and we can see there's a lot going on here. You may be overwhelmed, but hold on for a second. I've circled and pinpointed a very obvious pattern that I've noticed. Every time that Bitcoin comes down to a major support level on the moving average, either a 50 moving average level or 100 or 200, signified by 3 colored lines, and then if you combine this with the stochastics at the bottom of your screen, and we see that it's extremely oversold, this is a signal to buy. So out of the last 2 times that we've come down to a moving average support and had the stochastics oversold, so both of those things aligned, we saw a nice rebound preceding this. Now, if you look all the way at the right, you can see as of today, guess what? Bitcoin is at another one of these critical support levels, a 200 moving average. And then if we look down at our stochastics, yes, once again, it's signaling to us that this is a very oversold level once again. So if we combine these 2 metrics, it could be a screaming buy today for a possible reversal. Now, will this happen tomorrow? Will this happen in the next couple of days? I don't know. It could take a few days, could take a week or so for things to consolidate and then start reversing higher. But what I'm seeing is that there are buyers at this level. They are kind of holding it above this 200-day moving average, and the stochastics look very oversold, implying to me that this is looking ready for a reversal. Combine, buying pressure with a whole bunch of oversold levels, you have a recipe for an asset to move much higher. Honestly, I think this is a buying opportunity, and I think that institutions are probably buying quite a bit here at these levels, while retail is dumping it and they're afraid of Bitcoin crashing, going to zero because of all the drama going on with Elon Musk and the Bitcoin community and all this other stuff. Guys, it's just noise. Bitcoin, I believe, is still going to be relevant whether Tesla decides to hold it or not, and I think that this is just a long-term buying opportunity if you've been looking to get into crypto. You got to remember, the crypto market is unregulated, right? These institutions, hedge funds, all this kind of stuff, they can do whatever they want in this market. There's nothing really, stopping them, and there's no one to really answer to, which is what makes it a very interesting market. And there's theories out there that a lot of these institutions missed out on the big run prior in Bitcoin, so now they're driving fear, they're trying to push it lower so they can get a good entry point before, in my opinion, this inevitably goes to over $100,000 per Bitcoin. So let me know in the comments if you own Bitcoin. Let me know what you think. Do you think this is the bottom? Are we going to reverse here? So far, it seems like we're holding this, and I think that in the next, few weeks, definitely within the next month or so, we should see if, this theory holds true. If I was completely off base on this, only time will tell. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoy me putting myself out there, sharing my thoughts, whether I'm right or wrong. I just want to share my perspective with you. and I hope you find value in that. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to invest positively, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.